Welcome to TinkerSpace. Now let's make Smart Dim Dip headlight. To make Smart Dim Dip headlight, I used light sensor as input and two bulbs as output. The function of brain board is to monitor the input and control the output. Here we use light sensor to detect opponent car's headlight, and these two white LEDs act as the bulb of our car. Now let's connect the components to the brain board. Now let's connect light sensor to input 1 and a white LED to output 1. Another white LED to output 2. Now I have connected all the components to the brain board. Now we have finished hardware part. Now let's do coding.
Now let's do the coding. Open the TinkerSpace app. Now choose your Tinker board. I will select Brain Board. Click on Create New Project and type your project name. After typing your project name, click on Save New Project. Here, the design space has been opened. Now, as per the hardware connection, I will add the input and output devices. Here, as an input, I added light sensor as input and two LED white as output. Now go to the menu and click on Save. The generated design has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Go to CodeSpace. The CodeSpace has been opened. Click on Add or Edit Input Condition. Select Hardware Input Condition. First input only. Click on Select this condition. When the input 1 sensor off, I will click on or off 100%. Save settings. When the input 1 sensor on, I will click on or off 20%. Save settings. Do the same for the other LED. 100%. Save settings. On or off 20%. Save settings. Now, in the Smart Headlight Dim Dip project, in the night time, when two vehicles are coming from the opposite direction, due to the intense headlight's brightness, due to the intensity of the headlight's brightness, there is a high chance of getting an accident because of the temporary blindness of the driver, because he can't see the road properly. So, we added a light sensor that will detect the brightness of the headlight, and that will indicate that there is a vehicle that's coming from the front. So, when the sensor is on, means there is a vehicle that is coming from the opposite direction, then the brightness of the headlight will decrease by 20%. And in the input 1 sensor off, means there is no vehicle that's coming from the opposite direction, then the brightness of the headlight will be at its maximum, 100%. We kept 100% because we need a clear visibility of the road. So, the brightness of the headlight will be 100%. If there is a vehicle that is coming from the opposite direction, and the light sensor will detect it, and then the brightness of the headlight will decrease till 20%. So this is how the code will work. Now the coding is done, so click on Save Code. Now the generated code has been saved successfully. Now go to the menu and click on Upload Code. Here you have two options. First one, USB upload. Second one, Wi-Fi upload. Now enter your device ID. Now I will enter my device ID. My device ID is Tinkers125. So now I will enter my device ID. My device ID I have entered. Now I will click on Wi-Fi upload. To upload the code, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1. Turn on mobile hotspot. So set your hotspot name to TinkerSpace.in and the password is Tinkers123. Step number 2. Click on flash or code switch of your Tinker board about 4 to 5 seconds and your board will be automatically connected to this hotspot. Now step number 3. Click on search my device button. Now your device is searching and the device is connected. Now click on upload code. Now the generated code is going to the server and now it is uploading to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. The generated code has been successfully uploaded to the TinkerSpace Brain Board. Here we finished our coding part. Now let's do the hardware part.
Now you can see the headlight is fully on, but when opposite vehicle comes, the headlight will dim. Here we have made model of our project. Here we used 2 headlights and a light sensor. When the light sensor will detect the headlight of the opponent car, it will reduce these headlights brightness, and when there is no opponent car, these headlights will increase their brightness. Now let's do the demo.
Hope you enjoyed this project. Download our TinkerSpace app where you can find more model ideas suitable for this project. Do you like gifts? We have some giveaways waiting for you. Just follow the next steps to claim your Tinker gift. Open TinkerSpace app and create this project code as per the tutorial. Then share this code to me by clicking the button Share to Teacher. Here you have to enter your name, school, class, phone number and click Send. We will go through code of each student and we will pick 25 students per month who will receive our giveaway TinkerSpace project. Why waiting? Do this project code and grab your kit for free. Thank you and stay connected.